Everybody. Weekend business standard. Now the market on Friday, Sensex down 38,845.8. Now change 134.0. Nifty 11.505 point 11.1. Nifty futures 11,553 10.3. Dollar 73.5 73.7. Euro 87.1 87.1. Brent crude and 47.5 42.5. Gold 10 grams 51 413 108. Now back page 14 and the IPL begins in the IPL begins start today only. Facebook accused of watching Instagram users via cameras. New. That is the COVID virus trackers global COVID cases touch 30 million mark. India 96.124. Details. Active cases and record death. World total. Now, new rule for importers to get FTA concessions. No free pass. Proof of 35% value addition in goods from country of original must from Monday. Now, Paytm returns hours after Play Stores exist. The wrong bet. HE stops Lodha from holding office in MP Birla Group farms. Harshavardhan Lodha cases to hold any position, say Birlas. Now Apple sets festive tone with date for India online stores. Now Nifty this week 11,464. Now uptrend 11,505. Now net change 41%, change of 0.4. Top Nifty 50 gainers and losers. Dr. Reddy's Labs high increase rate. HCL Technology increase rate. Cipla also up down. Now losers. State Bank of India, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now Bajaj Fine Service. Now a downfall. Now lenders want government to offer moratorium interest relief to borrowers. Now top promise of languages coffee with BS Lucius von Hahn, CEO and co-founder Duolingo. The world that can read ideally in more than one language that finds Anjali Bhargava is the mission Lewis won and is on. Now today's game Mumbai and CSK. Both teams contested last year final with Mumbai winning narrowly. Reina at the position. My voice was not heard. Arrested on resignation. A day after resigning from Union Cabinet in protest against farm bills, senior Shiromani Akali Dal leader Harshi Mratar Kural Badal on Friday said he feels in the news. Now, national suspension state weekend business is the ageism basis available in business. Moderna and Pfizer's reveal secret blueprint for virus vaccine trials. SoftBank to sell last of its telecom assets with Gaiter deal. Air India value bidders back to drawing board. Now Root Mobile's issue open September 9th. Bid offer close September 11th. Now Air India value bidders back to drawing board. Two shortlisted firms to submit final offer for jet by next week. India growth story strong, not interested in spending outside country. Now, this is the end of the news.